Welcome back, guys, to Critical Annihilation. Welcome back to something you haven't. Wait. Hey, everybody, Mikestrem here. Welcome to Critical. Hey, everybody, Mikestrem here. Welcome to Critical Annihilation. Hey, everybody. Hey, gamers. Welcome to Critical Annihilation. I stuffed out that intro so many times. Let's just start. I don't really know too much about this game. Survival, let's go the mission. We get strength, life, soldier, engineer, scout, soldier, engineer. So, let's just go soldier and we have 5 points. Speed, good, stamina, regen. Ooh. That'll be useful. Let's have 0.8 and then what? 0.8 regen. We need. But why does it go to 999? Okay, so the name of this character will be Mikestrem. Critical Annihilation. Oh, cool. So I got a gun. Is it like a reload? Okay, I should probably wait. First encounter. So is there? Okay, so I can jump. Is there like a secondary? Oh. Oh, cool, this game's awesome so far. Come on, die. This is awesome, listen to the music. Oh, what's this? Whoa! Is there a rocket launcher or something? I need a rocket launcher or a bomb, or I should have saved that nuke. Okay, laser turret. How do I use a laser turret? Okay. 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 Mission complete. Where's my laser turret? Oh my god, look, you can destroy the trees. Okay. I'm gonna be back again. Let's, Q and E is for the abilities. So we got offensive and defensive. So, Q and E. Laser turret is Q, okay. 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 Let's have a bit more of a... Oh, a rocket launcher. Oh, that's good. Oh, hell yeah. More cake. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, this is fun as. Boom! Boom! Yes, okay, burn! Burn in the pits of hell, you monsters! Yes! Burn! And nuke it time! Oh hell yes! Health, nuke, boom, and boom, and boom, and boom, And boom. Yes, this is awesome. Okay. Next mission. Yes. Yes. I don't have any... Is there like a... Okay, the ruins. So let's get rid of some of these walls. Like, about... See. Oh! Oh, I got more stats. Can we go... Okay, so we can make... Regen... I want to make regen up to 50. Oh, laser turret. I only have laser turret, plasma shield. Okay. Because if we get regen up really high, then we won't have to worry. So let's try and get regen up to 1. Okay. Oh hell yes. Burn! Burn! Die! Die at my nukes! Die at my everything! Yes! Burn! Burn in the pits of hell where you should have came where you came from. Burn! 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 Yes! Yes! Shut up! Shut up, I don't care, Hyperus! I know we're playing games, I should probably hop offline, but oh my... Yes! Okay. Is that mission over? Okay, that was awesome. That was fun. I love that. Blow up all the trees. Blow up all the walls. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes! Okay. Now let's go see quickly. And we don't have any points. Okay. Okay, let's stay in the van. We got a advantage height. Come on, where are you? Come on. Whoa, okay. Okay. I need my rocket launcher, please. Okay. Okay, okay, there it is. There it is. And then, get ready. Oh, yeah, there goes the van. Okay, I got an airstrike. EXP times 2, that's good. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Yes, die! Die by the hands of my RPG! Yes, die, 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 die. Yes! Double turrets, come on. Is that mission complete? Okay, there's a biggins. This is much of my crash land skills coming in handy for this. Dodge wherever he's going. If I get hit by him, I think I'm gonna die. And I got there's a assault rifle thing. By cactus. Oh look, that bit flew off in like a chunk. Come on, van. Come on. Okay. Okay, let's see. That was good. That was cool. Oh my god, this game's so cool, I didn't know. Anyway, guys, I haven't even been talking about the game. I've just been basking in the glory of blowing up everything. Did we get any points? Okay, regen. I probably should get some better stuff, but... Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. Where are they? There's one. Oh, what's this? Oh, hell yeah. Yes! Laser pulse rifle. Oh, oh yes. The laserness is real. The laser. Oh yes. 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 Invulnerability shield. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come and get me. Come and get me. Oh no, you can't. Oh yeah, that's right. Because explosions and more explosions and more explosions and there's not as many explosions. Increased run speed, okay. Slow down time as I assassinate everything. Bruh. Wow. Double EXP experience. Boom. Dun da ba dum bum ba da. Yes, even more double experience. Damn it. I wasn't even paying attention to my health. Damn it. That was fun though. Anyway guys, I should probably start talking about the game while I'm basking in its glory. This is just this fun game. Where... what is happening? I press continue. Does that just like literally take me up from where I just was? Restart. Okay, that was weird. Okay, let's continue off. That was awesome. But anyway, this game is just a little fun, blow up everything, shoot up everything game. Let's try and stay near the road. Can we cut down these? I wanna be able to... There. There. I can't actually fire on it. Oh. Oh, there's one. Okay. Pulse rifle. Okay, I can go with this, I can go with this. I love this rifle. This rifle's pretty good. I thought it would run out, but it seems like it won't. Yeah, die. Die. Banana meow 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 meow. Banana meow 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 meow. Meow meow meow. Die, 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 die. Yes! Get killed by it! All of it just kill you. Okay, I think I need to improve other skills. God damn it, I am screwed. I don't have enough. Oh, I'm not strong enough to do this. Okay. Sorry about the quietness, guys. Okay. Let's go back to a lower level, and that way I can do it easily enough and calm myself down a bit. 1,000, that's pretty good. I don't care. Let's go close and go main menu. Oh my god, this is cool. So let's go with mission 1, the first encounter with Mikestrem. Okay, so this game is basically go around, blow up everything. I'm going to be doing a full though, destroy everything play on it. Oh look, we can destroy our ship and get to the center of it. That's cool. Yay, okay. exactly does shield do? Well, let's see. Is this regeneration per second? Running over blood will heal you, not implied yet. What have I just done? I don't know what I've just done. I'm gonna put 2 into this and then... Okay, wait. Okay. That is 0.4. Okay, I'm gonna mess around in this, trying to make it into a... Next mission! Yes! Building and blowing up stuff! Blowing it. Blowing up stuff, blowing up, blowing up, blowing it up, blowing it up, blowing it up. Stuff is being blown up. Stuff is being blown up because I like blowing up. Blowing it up, blowing it up, blowing it up. Okay, gonna kill these guys. Okay, good laser turret, that'll help me. Boom! Okay. Yes, die, die. Die, all of you. Okay, I need more health or a shield or... Okay. God dang it. Okay. Okay. There we go. Okay. Oh god. Oh, airstrike. And there's that area done. Boom. Boom. Yeah! Oh! Look at that effect. Okay. Okay, next mission. I think that this is a fun-ass game. Get it, play it. Destruction in it is awesome. Like, look, you can destroy each little piece of these, and then it's just, like, falling on the ground. Let's check. Have I leveled up at all? No, I haven't. So, I'm gonna try and get... I don't know what I should get next. Health. I don't know how much of this is going to be me fast-forwarding, so I might play for, like, half an hour before I actually start doing anything else. This is just gonna... Did I kill that? Oh, laser rifle. I need better things, better skills. I need a shield. I want to see what does a shield do. Is that just like defense against hits? Because that's gonna be really good if I get a lot of defense. I think I'll get defense, or is that? I think shield is defense, so I'll get a bunch of that. Yeah, rocket launcher. And I'm already dying. So I should be, yeah, I'm very slowly regenerating health, but the problem is, yeah, I need, if I get 1 second regen, it's gonna be really good. I love the slow time. Yes. Die. Die. Go fall into your hole and die, you aliens. Wait, I crash landed on their planet, so aren't I the alien? Get the cactus! The cactus! Don't you dare hit my turret. Mowing through them. Get the WXP and the laser gun. Oh, okay, this is even better. Okay, get this. Double turrets. Come on, where are ya? Come on, let's see it. I'm nearly leveled up. Oh god. Okay, okay, shotgun, rocket launcher, shotgun. Come on, die! I'm gonna farm EXP forever on this. This is an awesome game. I recommend buying it 100%. Yeah, and you gave me a turret. That's good. Boop. Now nothing can come into my turret. Yeah. Okay. I think I'm gonna go back to menu. I think that was fun. This game is awesome. Recommend getting Critical Annihilation. 100% Mikestrem likes. So, hope you enjoyed this episode of Critical Annihilation. Kaboomy. That's just insane how much just like destructive it all is. I love it. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed and see you guys in the next video of Critical Annihilation.